Hello, this is Monica. In this video, I will show you how to replace the suction motor. Suction motor is located here. It's under the sewage tank. To remove the cover, then you need to remove the 5 screws. Then cut the 2 cables. You can cut the crimping caps. You can connect either way, red to black and black to black. There's the 3 screws. You need to lose them, then you can remove the suction motor. You can remove the pipe. So after you remove the screws, it's a little heavy, so be careful, take it out. So after you change your new suction motor, make sure to put the hose in the right position. And put the 3 screws back too. Peel off the casing of a wire using pliers. Okay, twist the 2 wires tightly. Make sure they are connected together. Connect any color is fine. Use a crimping cap to cover the wires. It's for safety. Connect the wires, and you need the tool, crimping pliers, to make the crimping cap tightly. So after connect the cables, make sure they connect tightly. Then put back, then put the cover back. You need to cover the cable inside and the pipe inside too. Install the cover back.